Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna give you a solution when you're facing this problem where the CapCut template not showing. So here I've on my CapCut, so I read a few comments that say that um their CapCut there is no template button in their CapCut in like a certain regions, and you can see in mine there I can easily find templates and I can use it freely. But if you can't find the template, I uh, have a solution for you. So for you guys who has a TikTok account, you can just find it on TikTok. So you need to open your TikTok. Okay, and then click on the search column, and then here at the search column just type in CapCut template, and here click on the search, and here choose the template. For example, like this, I want to use this template. You can see there is a button to try this template on CapCut, so just click on that button and then click on use template in CapCut. So after that, the template will be show up in CapCut, and then you can just click on use template and add your own video into the template. So guys, that's all for me. That's a solution for me for you who don't have a template, or the template is not showing in your CapCut. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.